Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my jalapeno peppers. They're looking rather beautiful. I just repotted them in my own special mixture. I used a Pro Mix, and into the Pro Mix I put some potassium silica, or silicon, whatever you want to call it, and some flax meal, and some diatomaceous earth. Now, the silica is going to give the soil the opportunity to stay wet for longer, and the diatomaceous earth is going to give it the ability to resist pests, and it also does have silica in it, so that should help in root growth and stem growth. And also they say that it helps in blooming and production. So we shall see. This is going to be a very interesting experiment. I'm also going to use the same soil in my pots for the Tabasco peppers that I'm growing. So that should be very, very interesting, I think, to see how they come out. These jalapenos I planted from seed, and they have been really slow going. I'm not sure exactly why, but I know they like direct sunlight, and maybe it's because I haven't had them in direct sunlight until now. But I wanted to make sure that I had a good potting mix before putting them out, because living in California, you have such dry weather, and I'm really trying to do the best I can for my plants to stay moist as long as possible. So here we are, and you can see behind my pepper plants I've planted some potatoes along the fence just for fun, just because they're so pretty. I love potato plants. So we'll see how this goes, and I'll update occasionally. And let me show you what's going on with my my tomatoes, my hydroponic tomatoes. That's all I have, I think, in the hydroponics. Oh wait, I do have a spinach, some spinach in hydroponics still. So let's take a look at that. Here are my tomato plants that are still in the hydroponics solution. And as you can see, we've got one that's almost ripe, which is so exciting. Now these plants are really weird. This was a complete experiment, not only the hydroponic part, but this plant, because it is a microdwarf variety. It's a very new microdwarf variety. So I was very interested to see what the plant would actually look like, and it's pretty, I don't know, different is all I can say. Different is a good word. But I've been keeping them in this bucket, this plastic bucket, because I don't want them to get burned. The sun is absolutely outrageous here. So that's the update for them, and they're doing really, really well as far as water use and roots and everything. As you can see, the plants are pretty healthy. So anyway, let's go look at our spinach. here is the hydroponic spinach that I've been growing. As you can see, it's had a little bit of bug damage, but I started spraying it with neem just recently, so it is looking better. But it looks pretty healthy other than the bug damage. Not bad, huh? So anyway, that is my update for today, and I'll keep you updated on how that new potting mix is going, if it's actually making a difference or not. We'll be able to tell because of our other peppers that are not in the same potting mix. So let me show you those real quick. Alright, so here are my other peppers that are not in that potting mix, and as you can see, they're looking pretty darn healthy right now. Like I said, they do have some bug bites, but for the most part, they're looking really, really healthy. So we'll see how they all do, and I'll keep you posted. Until next time, go ahead and click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.